me know what you actually want me to do for you in the next coming video if you're a beginner. Crazy. You feel me? Let me save this beat. Always save your projects before you lose them, alright? Guys, if you're a beginner, I would tell you to be okay with this one. But what I'm gonna do is to add more percussions. Feel me? If you add more percussion, you're gonna get the nice, perfect vibes. So let's go for vocal chops. Alright, so let's go here, then drag this demon sound, put it here. Let's see. Every day try something new, just keep on trying. If it's not good, then we're gonna remove it. Crazy, man. Hey, so what I'm gonna do is to double click on this one, lower the volume, then I'm gonna send it to the mixer track 2, and let's add effect. All right, first I'm gonna do is to add EQ. Always EQ, compressor, reverb, they are the basics. All right, so I'm gonna add fruity parametric 2. Then as I said, if you're a beginner, just go for preset 40 Hz. All right, then just play with it. Alright, I want you to use good headset, good monitors before you can actually hear this. Next, I'm gonna add reverb, then I'm gonna increase the room size, increase the weight, then the delay, I'm gonna give it a little bit delay, and let's listen. Then I'm gonna repeat this one. Now let's go. Let's see if you can add more chants, but be creative, guys. If it's not fitting, just remove it. Then I'm gonna lower it. As you can see, nice. I'm gonna also send this one to reverb too. Alright, so what I did was that I also sent this one to the same track too. Alright, now let's add more percussions. Then let's go for open hearts. Let's search open hearts. One soft one, all right. Yeah, this is cool. Then let's go to the piano roll. Close the browser. Now let's start from here. You want this vibe? Yeah, crazy, man. Crazy. We're just gonna repeat that. Let's highlight these two bars, Control plus B to fill it. Now let's go to the piano roll. Now let's send this to the mixer track 3 and give it more reverb. Feel reverb. You know, God's eye always like reverb. I like it. You also have to like it. Reverb, more reverb. Then what I'm gonna do is to lower the second note. Be creative. Crazy man. Let's try and add the bass. Let's create simple 808. We're gonna add 808. All right, 808. All right, Speezy 808. So when it comes to 808, before you add 808, always be playing the beat and be selecting the element, the one that is fitting. And when it comes to adding 808, always play the beat and be clicking on the sample, the one which will suit it, then you add it. All right, so I'm going to do that. So I think this one is perfect for this beat. Now guys, if you don't take care, 808 will spoil your beat. So don't do things crazy. All right, what I want you to do is to always follow the root note of the kicks and just extend it small. Let's change this one to start half steps. Let's listen. Let's extend the notes. All right, so let's see. Simple like this. Don't do things crazy, and we're gonna make it more interesting. All right, so now pay attention. We're gonna switch between this note and this note. All right, so we can actually select any highlighted note here and see. All right, then we're gonna extend this. You see it? It's cool vibe. If you want to know much about how to add 808, I have a full video there. You can actually go and watch it. And between this note and this note, how can we switch? All right, you can actually switch from here, go this top, then C. You can see it's crazy. Now let's extend this. All right. All right, then let's look at something here. Now what you're gonna do is to slide this note. This one I'm gonna slide from C to what? E to C. Then let's place this one over here. We're gonna chop this one. It's super simple. Then I'm gonna send it high octave by holding Control, then pressing this one all the way up. It's crazy. I'm not gonna do it much. Let's bring it a little bit low octave. Let's do you feel me? So let's bring this one here. Go and watch my previous videos to know everything that I'm doing. All right, in today's video I'm not gonna take much time here, so I'm gonna slide this one too. Let's extend the slide note here all the way up. I'm gonna delay this one. I don't like this one. Crazy. Then we're gonna just play with the velocity. Let me lower the bass. Let me lower the velocity of the bass. Be like this. Simple. We don't want it to fight with the kicks. If you want to know how to mix your kick and your bass so that the kick will punch more, then take the video that will pop up on the screen. The link to will be in the description box. Now let's listen. Alright, so I'm just gonna do a little bit arrangement here. I'm gonna split by channels. Bring this one here, this one here, this one here, this one here, then what else? Alright, I'm gonna delete this one since it is the same. I'm gonna highlight this one, hold shift, clone it and bring it here. Right, now let's do simple arrangement. I'm gonna take off this ones. I'm gonna start with the hook. I'm gonna start with the loop. Let's fill this bars like this. Simple arrangement. All right, guys, and Control plus B like this. Simple arrangement. Now let's listen. Let the hi-hat comes in here. Alright guys, so this is how you can actually make your first beat as a beginner in FL Studio. This video helps you, give it a like, subscribe to the channel if you are new here. Let me know where you are watching me from. Download free sample packs from the link in the description box. Until then, see you in the next video. Stay blessed.